In the observatory of imagined outcomes, every wall was a mirror, but none showed your reflection. Instead, they shimmered with scenes that almost happened, choices not made, paths not taken, lives that could have been. At the center stood Professor Entro, wearing a cloak stitched from forgotten futures. His eyes sparkled with the kind of mischief only the quantum could inspire. He turned slowly to his students and said, "What if I told you that reality doesn't walk a single road, but travels all roads until you choose one?" He raised a crystal shard, no bigger than a thought, and pointed it at a mirror. Inside, a bird flapped its wings, then didn't. The sky rained, then cleared. A child laughed, then vanished. "This is the mirror of maybe," said Entro. "Quantum mechanics tells us that everything that can happen does, somewhere, somehow." A student frowned. "But what's real, Professor?" He smiled. "That's the trick. Before you look, the universe is a poem of possibilities. Every atom hums in superposition, neither here nor there, but both." He snapped his fingers. All the mirrors rippled. Each one settled on a different version of the classroom. One with flying desks, one made of honeycomb, one completely upside down. "When you observe," he said, "you collapse the poem into a single word, a single reality. You become the author. But what chooses which version we get?" Another student asked. Professor P leaned in, whispering, "Maybe it's the universe. Maybe it's you. Maybe there's no difference." The mirrors faded into mist. Only one reflection remained. The students, together, blinking at the stillness they had chosen. Professor Entro turned to leave, his image splitting into thousands in the glass behind him. And somewhere, in some version of the world, he stayed forever. Explaining. Unexplaining.